Check your internet connection. Swipe to cellular data if Wi-Fi fails. Great, the page loads perfectly now. First, open up your settings, tap Privacy and Security. Now select Location Services. Tap the switch at the top to turn it on. First, open Location Services and scroll down to find Maps. Tap on Maps to open its settings. Select the option while using the app. Finally, make sure to turn on Precise Location. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side and volume buttons. Then, slide to power off. Wait a moment and turn it back on.